Okay, today's project, we have a 2006 Ford Explorer. It is, the complaint is no heat, no heat. Here's a clicking noise in the dash. So that pretty much tells me it's HVAC actuator. Of course, we're not just gonna go off of that. We've got to verify. So first thing I'm gonna do is locate this actuator, see where it's located, and located. Yeah, find it and see what it's doing. Hopefully it's not too deep in the dash. I don't think I've done any of these 2006 Ford Explorer. I've done the newer body style Ford Explorers. But yeah, I'm gonna find it and then get back with you guys. Give me a minute. Okay, I think I found it. So turn the key on. Temperature, blend door actuator. Pop this panel off. It's just driver's side. Pull it off. No tools needed. But if you look back here underneath, you see that actuator trying to do something, but it just ain't doing. So I'm gonna try to access this. If I get to those screws without having to pull this panel, I'll do that. If not, I think I should be able to. So I'll pull, I believe it's 2 or 3. I'm not sure which one it is, but I'll get back underneath there and get that actuator off. Let's get the camera in there and see those 3, what looks to be 8mm screws. So disconnect it, get those 3 screws off, pop it off, slap a new actuator on there, and then we'll verify. Okay, so 3 screws. I know you see 4 holes there, but one of them's alignment pin. So anyways, 4 screws, and then popped it off, disconnected it. And then what I like to do, just to verify there's nothing wrong with the door, and actually I already twisted that. I like grab a screwdriver and carefully, gently twist that door, because that's all it is. It's this motor is moving this door, this blend door, this temperature door. So then move it to the other location and make sure we got heat or cold or whatever you're chasing. But yeah, 2006 Ford Explorer. Does it have automatic? This is not the automatic climate control. And then it's a single, not dual. Single temp. So that's where it's at. Haven't got the new one yet, so as soon as that gets here, I'll make sure they look alike, make sure they have the same connector and everything. You always want to double check your parts before you get a new part, or try to put in the new part. But yeah, and then I'll slap that in and it should be good to go. Alright, so here you have it. That's the new motor. Got the 3 screws back in. Connected. Let's put the key in. Get the key in the ignition. And then let's crank it over to cold. If you see, the motor is now turning that door. I'm going to turn it all the way to hot. No more knocking noise. Got that gremlin out of there. So now we'll just get it cleaned up. Slap this cover back on there. Like I said, this just pops off. This little push-in pin. And that's it. And then I popped this off because I thought it might have more access, but not really. So it was a little bit of a struggle getting those screws off, and it wasn't too bad. I'd say at max, you know, with having the new actuator here and ready, this is a 30 to 45 minute job. So, you know, if you have the same situation going on, you got knocking noise. I mean, most of the time knocking noise, one of your actuators is not working, but I always like to verify. Move the doors. Make sure, you know, it's lock to lock, it's stopping. The door has good function. And then don't just throw actuators at it. Make sure it's working. This one I knew it had command, power, ground, because it was attempting to move. You know, it's pretty common for actuators to do that. Start tapping, tap, 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 tap. But yeah. So here you have it. This is non-automatic, single temperature, not dual temp, 2006 Ford Explorer. Thanks. I hope this helped.